to the glory of His name. Oh, render Him glorious praise. Say to God, how awesome your deeds. Cry out with joy to God, all the earth. Before you all the earth shall bow down, shall sing to you, sing to your name. Come and see the works of God, awesome His deeds among the children of men. Cry out with joy to God, all the earth. He turned the sea into dry land. They passed through the river on foot. Let our joy then be in Him. He rules forever